Good afternoon. This is Bill Feaver, and I want to talk to you today about the 26th day of the 30-day content challenge. And the entry for today, or the prompt for today, was to talk about a niche-related trending topic. And so what I did is I just basically went into the internet, popped into YouTube, and typed in trending in the HBA funnel maker. And so I wanted to share with you what's trending. Who is this in this first picture? We know this lady, and she's in the second one. And then it drops down, and these people are familiar, but then she's in the third, fourth, and then next one, the next two. She skips one or two, and then she's into this other one. Amy is in a bunch of these. As you scroll on down, you see that she's there. There's Craig, he's in one of them. And then back to Amy. And Tom Caldwell, he's in the exchange. Oh man, my gosh, I'm even posted on this. This was interesting. And then also, it wasn't just me, but I think Caleb's on here too, one or two. And then back to Amy, and on and on and on. So the trending, if you put in that, there's a lot of videos trending on the HBA funnel maker. And then there's some paid ads that deal with it too. So this is my share for today. I just wanted a quick little look at, I thought it was interesting when I started put that in, that all of these people pretty much show up on our call of the our master call on Monday nights. I see all these people, and I don't know everybody yet, but they're all part of our group. And so it's growing, but I just wanted to point out that Amy, when it comes to content, she is a rock star, and she puts out a lot of information. So I just wanted to share that with you. And I'm going to stop the share today, right now, and wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. And we will see you all tomorrow.